Hi, this is the continuity of the MongoDB backup process using NoSQL Booster. So, NoSQL Booster for MongoDB, one can easily do the MongoDump process of selected database. It can be downloaded. That is, the NoSQL Booster for MongoDB can be downloaded from the following link. Okay, once the downloads page is appearing in this pattern, and according to the OS of your choice, that is according to the operating system of your choice, select the proper one and download NoSQL Booster. Once downloaded, NoSQL Booster for MongoDB.exe will open the editor in the below format. See, in this format it will get open, and if it is connected means we can able to see the list of database available which is running on port 27017. In case if it is not connected, we can connect in this way as well. That is, connect from URI, and then here, since the MongoDB is running on 27017 port, we can directly connect like this as well. Now I want to do the this database MongoDump alone. So what I can do is just select the database whichever you want to backup, then select the database and go to this option. Click on export and then select MongoDump. Okay, so what will happen is whatever the collection available under this database, it will get listed out here, and then here we can able to choose the dump path. For example, now my dump path is this one, visualization dump. Okay, so then I choose the folder like this, and in case if you want to have any options whichever further required, we can select that one. But now no worries, we will see that options all later. Just select the path alone and then just give dump. So we can able to see the dump is already happened. So just open that one. So on opening that, we can able to see as inside the visualization dump, since our selected database is visualization, this folder is appeared, and inside that we can able to see we already saw that two collections are available. So for the two collection, one bson format file and metadata format file in the form of JSON are placed inside this one. So this way we can able to backup using NoSQL Booster. So NoSQL Booster is very useful while comparing to the ordinary command line option, because in command line option means you need to give the proper commands to back up the specified database or all database. But here, using the NoSQL Booster, you can easily select the database and also can use the options export and MongoDB. One can easily complete the backup process. Hope you understand the concepts of how to back up the MongoDB. Thank you.